Hello students, today our topic is nomenclature of organic compounds. When we are writing the nomenclature, we should know one rule, that is prefix we can write first, next word root plus suffix. Again, prefix classified into two types, secondary and primary. Plus word root plus suffix, again primary, secondary. In the secondary prefix, certain functional groups do not consider as functional groups, but we can consider substituents such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, nitro, nitroso, isopropyl, isonitrile, amine group, diazo, methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, N-butyl, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2. All these are secondary prefix we can write first of the organic compound. Next heading, primary prefix. It indicates the cyclic compounds only. For example, this is cyclic compound. When we are writing the organic compound nomenclature, we should start with cyclo. So cyclo means it is a primary prefix. This is cyclopentane and this one is butane, because 4 carbons are present. Here 5 carbons. Start with cyclopentane. Word root C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C. It is methane, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, octa, oct, C9, non, C10, deck, C11, undeck, C12, dodeck, C13, trideck, tetradeck, pentadeck, like that. C20, icos, C30, tricont, C40, tetracont, C50, pentacont, C60, hexacont. And next one, primary suffix. Primary suffix. In this one, C single bond C will present, we call it is N. C double bond C, it is ine. C triple bond C, it is ine. So this is, and it always followed to word root. If removal of one hydrogen from the single bond, then we call it is aryl. When removal of one hydrogen from the double bond, then we call it is enyl. If removal of one hydrogen from a triple bond, then it is enyl. So this is the primary suffix. Secondary suffix, it indicates functional groups such as alcohol, then it is ol, aldehyde, al, keto group, then we can write on, acetic acid, oic acid, amide, COCl, we can write OL chloride. So all the functional groups we can write end of the organic nomenclature. For example, take one compound CH3, CH2, 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 OH. The number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C4 means it is a butane. C4 means it is a but. All the bonds are single bonds between the carbons. Then it is a ene. Plus there is no secondary prefix and primary prefix. Then only the secondary prefix, that is OH, means OL, that is OL. So removal of this E and club this 3, butanol. So this is the nomenclature of this compound. For example, this one. Here the primary prefix is cyclo plus number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, that is but, and primary suffix is all the bonds are single bonds, then it is A. Then total nomenclature is cyclobutane. Like we can write all the organic compounds. Thank you.